Noble, go. Noble, up. Noble, up. Go on. Noble, up. Up, up. Good boy. All right, down. Good boy. All right, let's go. Inside. Noble, inside. Good boy. All right, up, up. Good boy. All right, up, up. All right, down. Good boy. Inside. Inside. Go. Noble, inside. Good boy. Good job. All right, let's go. Noble, up, up. Let's go. Up, up. Up, up. Let's go, buddy. You goofball. You getting tired? All right, good job. All right, let's go. Up, up. Up, up. Come on, let's go. Up, up. Up, up. Noble, up, up. Good boy. There you go. Good job. That a boy. Yeah, a boy. You're a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. This is Noble's favorite thing to do at the park. He doesn't want to do anything with the dogs. Don't want nothing to do with anything. But he loves doing this little agility thing. Good job, buddy.